These are Laserbeak library type sounds. These are big initial sounds. Big initial sounds. Take 1. 2. More strong attack on the things. 3. You shortened out on the end though. Keep it going. 4. 5. That's a dandy. Some more like that. 6. 7. 8. And this is 9. Real hot attack on it. 10. Series of short jabs with the Laserbeak, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now start working your pitch over a little bit. You can go a little lower and a little higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A little shorter ones, not quite as vigorous. 12, 13. Little mean, little insulting type things. 14, 15. Hurt sounds, getting hit with a blast. Take 1. Now 2, 3. That's good. 4. Good. 5. Now 6. This is being chased off, Laserbeak. Take 1. Take 2. Maybe greater frequency on it. Take 2. Those are good. That's neat. Take 3. Here's some miscellaneous low-key sounds for Laserbeak. Hunched up, maybe he's hiding, and it's take 1. And 2. It's 3. It's 4. That's good. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Shorter. Angry diving sounds. Laserbeak. Take 1.
Sorry, I don't like that one. I'll try again.
And take 2. 3. 4.
Sorry.
5. 6. A couple more like that. 7. 8. Change the rhythm of it. 8. 9.